Today, we're diving into the heart of Long Beach, California, baby. Known for the vibrant culture, beautiful waterfronts, and home to Snoop Dogg. What? Long Beach is the perfect spot for a day full of adventure. So buckle up, cause let's go! All right, so we're actually getting ready to do the gondola ride here in California. It says they've been cruising the canals of Naples for 40 years, and they're about to take Jeff Jenkins on his first gondola ride in America. I'm hoping this is gonna be fun. I'm hoping that it can fit me. That's the thing. I don't know what to expect, so let's go check it out. I like this little cute little shop. This is cool.
Hey,
hello, my friend. How you doing?
Welcome.
Jeff Jenkins.
Yeah, Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh man, this is cool.
You're here for like, what would we call it, a gondola ride, maybe?
Yep, I am. I sure am.
Because we actually have some, so I think that might work out good.
I'm excited. I'm excited. What's up, my guy?
How's it going?
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Tom, Jeff. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you too. You look great. I like your shirt, man.
Oh man, appreciate you. I'm trying to be cool like you.
There you go.
Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm excited. Beautiful, beautiful area. Oh my gosh. What's up, Tom? Tumas.
Ja. It's a beautiful day out here.
All right, so where are we at, Tom?
Well,
Tumas.
this is Alamitos Bay.
Alamitos.
And we can see Naples Island right now. It's kind of all these houses that we're facing right here. So Naples Island is kind of a misleading name. It's actually 3 islands, technically.
Okay.
And they're all separated by canals. The one that we're kind of pointed straight toward is Treasure Island. It's the smallest island, but it's got some of the most expensive homes, including this brick house on the far right corner. That's the most expensive house in all of
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Look at that.
So that's the big dog.
And what are we talking about on expensive?
The most expensive house, the brick house, last sold for around 15 million. And then
what?
The canal house, just a little under that.
Bro!
But most of these houses out on the open bay are running from around 7 to 10 million.
They're not even that big.
I actually just toured one over there that was 8.2.
8 point. What?
Yeah.
So I need y'all to like and subscribe and make sure that you comment and do everything so that I can be wealthy like this and afford a house like this.
Yes.
The one thing I would say about this gondola, this is like plus size friendly. I could fit somebody here, but it wouldn't be as comfortable. But to do the back and forth to where it's like we look at each other kind of thing, this works out perfect. This is the way to do it. If we're gonna do a gondola ride, why not do a cannoli? They say that some people come on here with food,
Wine.
Oh, wine would have been great. This is too good. Y'all, this is so much fun. To be out on this canal like this, it really does make you feel like you're in Venice. I felt so relaxed and chill. I kept thinking to myself, like, this feels like Florida. This feels like places I've been, but you got this nice, cool breeze that I haven't experienced anywhere else in the middle of August. August usually is the hottest month, so to be able to experience it like this, being able to see the houses, they're all $1 million houses. So, and they're small. So that is really, really interesting to see, but they were all different shapes and sizes. None of them were cookie cutter. And I'm really liking that about this part of the trip. And who knew that you can get on a gondola ride in California, in Long Beach of all places. This is beautiful. Definitely recommend coming out to this place. It's dope. Fun fact, Long Beach is home to the only authentic Venetian gondolas in the United States. And speaking of boats, now we're on to an even bigger boat, the Queen Mary. Oh, wow. This is really nice. All right, so we're here at the observation bar. It's loud a little bit because they're doing karaoke right now, but I really like this bar. You get a really good view of the city. And right now we are on the Queen Mary, which looks like the Titanic. It's like an old ship from like 1930 that has been turned into a hotel. And then there's tours and shows. We missed our show today, so I'm a little sad about that. So you definitely got to come check out the observation deck. Grab you a drink, small bites. It's really good. This beautiful, gorgeous sunset that's right over here. I'm excited. It's a great way to end the day. Did you know that the Queen Mary is a hotel? Yeah, a hotel, which was once a luxury ocean liner that sailed the North Atlantic. I'm excited about our next activity, whiskey tasting. We're here at Broken Spirits Distillery, where they're crafting some of the best small batch whiskey you'll find in Long Beach. And Long Beach has been growing their craft spirit scene, and Broken Spirits is leading the charge. Are you the distiller?
I am.
Good.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's the Aquavit.
Aquavit. I've never had this Aquavit. I really like this. It's very sweet. It's given so much in like on my tongue. Like this is.
It's a lot in there. It's got a lot of character. It's fun.
It's a very fun drink, dude.
Yeah.
So when people drink this straight up, like I can definitely see me putting this. Unfortunately, I can still see myself making this a cocktail of some sort. I'm telling you, there's a hint of sweetness that I keep smelling from each one of them. That's like just different.
Yeah.
And it's almost like this is your little signature, and I'm smelling it every time. That to me right now, hey, you might have got a new customer. I can tell you that.
Hey, I'll take it. It's all art at the end of the day. So for me, if I can get as many people educated, aware of stuff like this, I feel like
Oh, I love that. I love that. The Aquavit, that is now one of my new favorites. This is Mossy. Y'all have to come to Broken Spirits Distillery. I mean, by far, he is creating something that I know for a fact will be award-winning, and I can't wait to see it. Like, much success to you, sir.
Thank you.
Like, this is really, really good.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I mean, and I need a bottle. I have to take one of these home.
Yeah.
This, hands down, maybe my favorite out of all the, like, this is it. Now it's time to hit the water again, but this time on the Duffy Boat with anchors away. These electric boats are perfect for a chill cruise around the marina. Here's a fun fact. The Duffy Boat was invented here in Southern California, and Long Beach is one of the best places to enjoy the ride.
We're starting right here. We're just gonna go to your left, actually. And then you see that intersection just over there on your left-hand side, you can make a left-hand turn. And then you can go straight from there and do pretty much a full circle of the bay all the way around. You can go into Naples Canals, actually, even though there's those X's. Just make a left into that first entrance.
Okay.
And make a left to go around counterclockwise.
Okay.
And then come all the way back through and make a left to around out, back the same way.
Okay, let's do it. I was nervous on that. I was not ready. Can't forget the cowboy of the hat. How I look. I am a little nervous because I've never driven a boat like this before, but I like it. Oh man, just that breeze, what we're feeling. It's not sunny right now, which I'm a little bummed out about, but I'll take this. I mean, you can just rent boats. Who knew? Like they trust us with this, you know? I'm glad it does not go that fast, so we can like know where to go. I think I was just supposed to go that way. Oh, I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, made the wrong turn right at the beginning. I went right into the water ski area and look at that. But if my map serves me correctly, now I feel like we are going west in the way that we were trying to go from the beginning. And so we're there now. You see the people at the beaches and just hanging out. And look at me, the guy talking about, oh man, yeah, this is it. We wanted to be out here. Look at us now, out here on these boats. Let's hit it in gear, let's go. The cool thing is that it's like everyone sounds like how fast we're going. Look at the guy. We're wrapping this trip up with a day at the Aquarium of the Pacific, one of the top aquariums in the country. But we're not here just to look at the exhibits. Wow. We're gonna get up close and personal with some sea lions and seals. All right, welcome to Aquarium of the Pacific. I am super excited because I'm in for a treat right now. Y'all will too. I'm about to go do a really cool encounter here at the Aquarium of the Pacific. So let's get into it. You know, I thought she would have been younger. I didn't know 6 years.
He's pretty good about it.
I just moved and she said, oh.
Yeah.
Let's do a couple more.
Oh, this is good. What's the difference between a seal and a sea lion?
What a great question. Good. So Parker is a California sea lion. One of the major differences is the way that he's moving. So you saw Kaya just kind of like bumps along on the ground. That motion sometimes called galumphing, whereas a California sea lion can rotate their hind flippers underneath them and walk on all fours. And so they tend to be a little bit more agile and able to move around on land. Another major difference between seals and sea lions is these little ears. So on Kaya, she only has a hole on the side of her head. Good. Parker has those cute little Tootsie Roll ears that you see right there. Sometimes they look like Shrek ears, but really he just has rolled ear flaps. And then another difference is that California sea lions are going to be a whole lot louder than our harbor seals. So if you hear a sound like this, that's a California sea lion.
All right, now I have another friend that I'm giving this something to.
Perfect. Give him another. This is his favorite part of the encounter. The free food part of the encounter. Give him one more. You're doing amazing, dude. Cool. Can I take a picture with him?
Yes.
Okay, and you can even just get real close to him.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah. Parker, he's like, I like you.
He's like, where's the feed? The fish.
That's actually adorable.
Parker's doing the Jeff smile with me.
He is doing amazing.
That is my signature move.
Really?
I do the Jeff smile and I'm like mouth open.
That is exactly his move too. Look,
Yeah.
he's like, I can do it also. Good boy. Wow, you almost ran out of breath on that one. So we're gonna get ready to say bye to Parker. Parker, you wanna say bye? Say
Bye, Parker.
Very nice to meet you guys. There he goes.
That was incredible. It was a really, really cool experience. I was a little nervous because I did not know that many of them were in there. They just told us right before. And so to be able to like get up and close and personal with him, to touch him, I thought it was gonna be another kind of like feeling. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more furry or a little bit more plush, but he was solid muscle. You can feel the muscles on him. Keep doing your dreams, kids. Follow your hearts, because this is definitely dope. You'll be able to do stuff like this if you follow your dreams. And that's a wrap on our Long Beach adventure. From doing a gondola ride to whiskey tasting and ending with an unforgettable sea lion encounter, this city has something for everyone. Make sure that you stay tuned for our next video as we do part 2 of Long Beach. But speaking of just being out in the water, and have y'all dived with a plus size guy before? Well, check out this video that I have from Barbados of me diving for the first time in Barbados. And then also make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button because we got more to come. Let's go.